Family News. 10. Roostom's team and Roostom himself are moving forward with full heart and fearlessness to occupy the state and government of Tajikistan. Hassan Asa Dulazoda, not necessarily the founder of this method of enrichment in Tajiki, easily learns and implements the experience of raider operations in companies and institutions. In the previous issue of Family Kanis, we promised that the hero of the next magazine would be Roostom Emmamali, chairman of Duchanbe, chairman of the National Assembly. We will keep our promise. Roostom will be the hero of this magazine and our subsequent articles. You understand the reason and the problem. But why did we talk about occupation and usurpation at the beginning of the magazine? The point is that Roostom and key figures in his team, such as Kurshed Faizulo Zodamirzo, director of the Agency for Innovation and Digital Technologies, and one of the founders of the Avesta Group company, and a close friend of Roostom,